Imagine being on a luxury yacht in the middle of the night, not for leisure or fishing, but to smuggle an astonishing 130 liters of cough syrup worth RM75, 150, 22,760 Singapore dollars. This shocking reality unfolded on Tuesday, December 3, when two Singaporean men, aged 45 and 50, were apprehended in Johor, Malaysia. This operation is being hailed as the largest cough syrup bust in Malaysia this year. But here's the twist: the men disguised their smuggling activities as fishing trips, using a luxury yacht valued at RM270,000, 80,000 Singapore dollars, to avoid suspicion. The authorities acted swiftly, conducting a raid at a dock in Masai, Johor, where the cough syrup was discovered stashed in fishing barrels. What's even more intriguing is how the smuggling was carried out. The suspects reportedly made 5 to 6 trips every night to international waters, where they conducted transactions under the cover of darkness. These trips earned them RM260 Singapore dollars per journey. Authorities suspect the cough syrup was destined for overseas markets, potentially for use in manufacturing other drugs. Adding to the case's complexity, the 45-year-old suspect tested positive for nimetazepam, a hypnotic drug. Besides the yacht and cough syrup, other items seized include an engine, yacht keys, and 4 mobile phones. The total haul is estimated at RM460,000, 139,000 Singapore dollars. This arrest not only uncovers the ingenuity of smuggling operations, but also highlights the challenges faced by law enforcement in combating drug trafficking. What are your thoughts on the measures authorities should take to prevent such sophisticated smuggling attempts in the future? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned, as the suspects will remain in custody until December 7 to assist with ongoing investigations. If you found this coverage insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more detailed and thought-provoking news stories. Could there be even more advanced methods used by smugglers that we're unaware of? What's your take?